What's up, guys? It's Steven Garcia with Allways Auto Group, and today we're going to be checking out this 2021 Chevy Tahoe LT. So coming around the sides, we have the 20-inch alloy rims, running boards. These buttons right here are going to allow you to open and close or unlock the doors without having to take your key out. So all you got to do is have the keys in your pockets or near you. Press that button, it'll open and close the doors, or unlock and unlock, lock and unlock them. We've got backup sensors, backup camera, and again, this is the LT. So you got the power lift gate in the rear. This one has third row seatings, and the second row has the captain's chairs. And you can also lower the hatch from the remote, as well as raise it up. This Chevy Tahoe is super clean, as you can see. No big scratches, no huge dents on it. It's got under 30,000 miles. Let's step inside real quick. We've got power seat, memory settings, power windows, power locks. Auto on headlights, electronic parking brake, cruise control on the steering wheel, Bluetooth settings, dual climate control, as well as separate climate control for the rear. You have your regular USB and USB-C jack. Here's your little charging port. It's got Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. It's got the new gear selector. Push button start, of course. Controls for the rear lift gate, as well as the sunroof. Hopefully you can see this. The sunroof is a panoramic sunroof, so it's got a huge sunroof. Cup holders everywhere. Leather seating. Another little cubby over there. And there's the miles, 26,098 miles. So if you know somebody that's looking for a larger, newer SUV that's loaded with features, please send them my way. And if you have any questions, send me a message. Thanks.